In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Credit Karma account. If you've been wondering how to easily and securely access your financial information on Credit Karma, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through each step so you can confidently navigate the login process. Let's get started. First, you're going to need to open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the Credit Karma website by typing in www.creditkarma.com in the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the home page of Credit Karma. You can also simply search for Credit Karma login in your preferred search engine, and usually the first result will be the official site. Now that you're on the Credit Karma homepage, you need to locate the login option. Typically, you'll find this at the top right corner of the page, labeled Login. Clicking on this will direct you to the login screen where you'll be asked to input your credentials. Next, in the email address field, carefully enter the email address you used when you set up your Credit Karma account. It's important to use the correct email here as it helps Credit Karma to identify your account. If you're on a personal device and wish to save time in future logins, you might want to opt for the Remember Me option, but remember, this is advisable only on private and secure systems. Following this, you'll see a password field below. Here, enter your password. If you're struggling to remember your password, consider using a password manager in the future to safely store and recall your passwords. Entering the correct password ensures that your account remains secure and protected from unauthorized access. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it, usually labeled Forgot Password, which will walk you through the steps to set a new one. Once you've entered both your email and password correctly, it's time to click on the Login button. This is usually right below the credentials fields. By clicking Login, Credit Karma will verify your information and, if it's correct, take you straight into your account where you can view your credit scores, reports, and other financial management tools. And that's it! Logging into your Credit Karma account is just that straightforward. I hope this tutorial was helpful and eased any difficulties you may have been experiencing. Remember that maintaining the security of your login information is crucial, so be sure to keep your credentials safe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.